Moving on, the magnificence and diversity of Indian culture is reflected in its festivals. Every Indian celebrates festivals with enthusiasm and devotion. It is an expressive way to celebrate the glorious heritage, culture, and traditions of the country. And today, in our episode of South Asia Focus, we'll show you the colors of one of the biggest festivals, Durga Puja, that was celebrated recently with great fervor. And the core reason behind the celebration remains the same, like the Dussehra, that is victory of good over evil. Take a glance.
The Indian festival season has ushered in. Starting from Navratri to Dussehra to Diwali, India is on a string of festivals. Durga Puja is one such festival that was celebrated in the country with great zeal and enthusiasm. While Navratri is a 9-day festival dedicated to goddess Durga and her various incarnations, Durga Puja is celebrated in eastern parts of India for the last 5 days of Navratri. Durga Puja marks the victory of goddess Durga over the evil buffalo demon king Mahishasura. Devotees offered prayers at temples and visited markets on this special occasion. Some women also performed Dhunuchi dance or Aarti to thank goddess Durga.
There are several parts of the Durga Puja culture. One is Dhunuchi. Dhunuchi was not initially a dance form. It's basically a part of the Aradhana or Puja. Like we use Shankha, we use Pradeep, we use Panch Pradeep, and Dhunuchi is like that only. Like Dhoop, counterpart of Dhoop. And then there is a Dhak. And Dhak, it creates a rhythmic beat. And any rhythmic beat, it's a part of human psychology.
Durga Puja is a 5-day extravaganza and consists of stunning idols, brightly lit pandals, loud music, Maha-Aarti and much more. This year too, pandals of goddess Durga with different themes were erected across Indian states. During the festival, devotees wear new traditional colourful clothes, chant hymns in the temples, distribute sweets, and some even observe fast to show gratitude to goddess Durga. They believe that by controlling physical needs like hunger, a person can gain spirituality and that fasting helps in creating harmony between the body and soul. On the day of Ashtami, devotees worship the goddess Mahagauri. The 8th incarnation of goddess Durga is considered auspicious.
हमारा जो आज अष्टमी का दिन नवरात्रि का अष्टमी में 8 कुमारी का पूजन हो गया सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा से चल रहा है माता का पूजा चल रहा है श्रद्धालु लोग आके मां को दर्शन कर रहे हैं
Durga Puja is the main festival in West Bengal state and various cities of India like Guwahati, Varanasi mark the last day with Sindoor Khela, the last day of the celebrations before the immersion of goddess Durga idols in the water bodies. It is believed that during the festival, goddess Durga descends on earth to destroy the demons and bless her devotees with happiness and prosperity.